Let me tell you a story you already know. You nailed the analysis. The support held. The technicals were screaming buy. You know your strategy works. You've seen the backtests. But you hesitated. You overleveraged. You hit your target, then you felt that rush, that greedy hurry, and you gave it all back, plus more. You walk away knowing you have the skill, but you end the week with a loss. Your trading is not failing because of your indicators. Your trading is failing because you are hemorrhaging your most critical asset. This video is the mindset shift you desperately need. We are not talking about technique today. We are talking about the foundation that holds the entire skyscraper up. It's time to stop protecting just your financial capital. It's time to start protecting your emotional capital. We're going deep. We're breaking down the lie the trading gurus tell you. And I'm going to give you the daily practice that can make you profitable right now. Let's go. Think of your emotional capital like a high-performance battery. You start the day fully charged, but every decision, every trade, every hesitation, every spike of fear, every moment of chasing greed, it drains that battery. It's called decision fatigue. Your brain literally runs out of high-quality glucose. When your battery hits 20%, your primal brain takes over. Your rational judgment shuts down. That's when the stupid trades happen. That's when you ignore the stop loss. That's when you go all in, hoping to recover the loss. This is the ultimate secret of consistency. You cannot make financially sound decisions with emotionally depleted resources. Why do the successful veterans, the guys who actually make money, always tell you the same thing? Take your 1 or 2 trades, hit your target, walk away. They tell you what to do, but they never tell you why. The reason is simple. And it has nothing to do with the market being bad later in the day. It's about protecting the quality of your focus. When you limit yourself to 1 or 2 high-conviction trades, you treat every click like a golden bullet, not like a machine gun spray. You force yourself to wait for the highest probability setup. This is the ultimate performance hack. By limiting exposure, you are protecting your internal stability, ensuring your next day starts fully charged. Stop trying to trade 20 times a day. You are sacrificing quality for volume, and volume drains your core asset. Trade less, preserve your mind, and watch your win rate climb. Let's finally define it. Emotional capital is your internal capacity to make rational decisions under pressure. It is the sum of your patience, your ability to wait, your ability to accept stops, your resilience, your confidence, your presence, your focus, your mental clarity. When this capital runs out, something very dangerous happens. Your brain starts trading for you, and it trades to protect your ego, not your money. And that's when these behaviors show up. Revenge trading, overtrading, oversizing, refusing to stop out, holding losers. Let's finally define it. Emotional capital is your internal capacity to make rational decisions under pressure. It is the sum of your patience, your ability to wait, your ability to accept stops, your resilience, your confidence, your presence, your focus, and your mental clarity. When this capital runs out, something very dangerous happens. Your brain starts trading for you, and it trades to protect your ego, not your money. And that's when these behaviors show up. Revenge trading, overtrading, oversizing, refusing to stop out, holding losers, letting winners come back, taking entries without confirmation. None of this is technical. It's emotional. Enough theory. Let's go practical. Starting today, you will measure your emotional capital daily using a score from 0 to 10. Ask yourself, what is my emotional state right now before I take any trade? If your honest answer is 8 to 10, high concentration, calm confidence, present focus, you can trade. 5 to 7, some fluctuations, a bit of anxiety, but still manageable. Trade less, reduce size. 0 to 4, Anxiety, fear of losing, hesitation, impulsiveness, greed, irritation, rushing, physical tension, negative mindset. There is no trading today. Your only trade is to recover your emotional capital. If you ignore this, the market will charge you a high price.
You are paid for the quality of your decisions, not the quantity of trades. Let's use the business analogy, but make it personal. Trading is a business. In a traditional corporation, say Apple or Tesla, if the CEO has a bad day, the factory still runs. They have HR, sales teams, operational managers, and automatic machinery. The system protects the business from the leader's mood. But in trading, you are the entire corporation. You Inc. You are the CEO who sets the strategy. You are the engineer who executes the trade. You are the risk manager who places the stop. You are the HR department who needs to manage your fatigue. If you, the operator, fail, if you burn out, get greedy, or become crippled by fear, the entire company goes bankrupt. You cannot afford an emotional breakdown. Your business relies solely on your self-management. This makes self-care and emotional auditing not a soft skill, but the single most critical risk management tool you possess. So how do we operationalize this? You need to measure what matters. You need to audit your feelings with the same cold, hard logic you use for your P&L. You need a daily emotional scorecard. Before you touch the keyboard, ask yourself, on a scale of 1 to 10, what is my focus level? Am I feeling anxious? Am I feeling desperate to make up yesterday's loss? Am I feeling overconfident and greedy after yesterday's win? If your score is 6 or below, do not trade, or drastically cut your risk size. If you take a loss and you feel that hot surge of anger, that immediate urge to get it back, stop. That feeling is your emotional capital screaming, "I am depleted." Ignoring that alarm is what separates the long-term consistent winner from the short-term gambler. It took me years to understand this simple truth. I thought discipline meant fighting the feeling. I was wrong. Discipline means recognizing the feeling and having the strength to walk away. Let's talk about patience and true growth. You're thinking, if I only take 2 trades, it will take too long to get rich. I am telling you, you must grow your emotional capital first. Financial growth is the guaranteed byproduct of emotional stability. You cannot support a $100,000 portfolio with a $1,000 emotional capacity. The pressure will break you and you will liquidate your account. Stop chasing the money. Start chasing the flow state. When you operate from a frequency of calm, conviction, and focus, when the fear is managed and the greed is quiet, you are trading at your peak potential. As we said, the quality of your internal emotional world dictates the quality of your external financial results. Protect your mind. It is your only employee. It is your only machine. It is your most valuable asset. Here's your challenge for the next 7 days. Forget your P&L. Focus 100% on your emotional scorecard. If you stay green, high score, for 7 days, you win. The money will follow. If this truth hit you hard, if this is the missing piece, hit the like button right now. And comment below with the phrase, "I protect my capital." Let's build a community of professional, resilient traders, not just desperate gamblers. See you in the next level.